4x squared negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 3. Okay, we multiply 4x squared times negative 2x squared. I won't come and write what it is first. I want to kind of write it out before I write what it is. Then I join them. Then 4x squared times 3x. Then 4x squared times negative 3. So this will give me negative 8x4. If you do it, 4 times x squared times negative 2 times x squared. Then you get the constants, 4 times negative 2 times x squared times x squared. And that gives you negative 8x4. So this is 12x cubed. And this is negative 12x squared. Then I write as is. I'm not putting my own signs. This will now be negative 8x4 plus 12x cubed minus 12x squared. And that becomes your answer for number 2. Okay, number 3. We have a negative 3x times 3x squared plus 4x minus 9. So this is a negative 3x times 3x squared, negative 3x times 4x, negative 3x times negative 9. And this will give us what? Negative 9x cubed. This will give us negative 12x squared. And this will give us 27x. So that when we now join as is, it will be negative 9x cubed minus 12x squared plus 27x. That's number 3. Number 4, 8x squared y times negative x squared plus 2x minus 3. And I'm gonna explain number 4. It's still the same thing, don't be scared they added y. It's still the same thing. So let's kind of do it. 8x squared y times negative 8x squared. 8x squared y times 2x. 8x squared y times negative 3. Okay, now if you look at this, if I just use this space to demonstrate it, if we find 8x squared y times negative x squared, let's split it out. Let's dissociate it. Split it. This means 8 times x squared times y times negative x squared. Negative x squared means negative 1 times x squared. So we split it again. 8 times x squared times y times negative 1 times x squared. Right? So this is now 8 times negative 1 times x squared times y. And this will give me negative 8 times x, 2 plus 2 times y. And that will now give me what? Negative 8x4y. Okay, I will explain some things here. First of all, we want constants to be first. We always want constants to come first. Then for the variables, you notice we have 2 variables here, x and y. We want to list them, x comes before y. In the English alphabet, you have x before y. So we don't want to say yx raised to power 4. We want to say x raised to power 4y because the x comes first. We want to say ab, we don't want to say ba. Now it doesn't mean that this is wrong. It is not wrong. But mathematics is all about order. The order of nature. That is what mathematics is all about. So we want to maintain that order, that x, since x comes before y, let's put it that way. So that is the way we have it here. This is now negative 8x4y. Then if you look at this, of course, 8 times 2, if we separate it, 8 times x squared times y times 2 times x. Then you now do 8 times 2 is 16. X squared times x is x cubed, because 2 plus 1 is 3, law of exponents. Then y times y. Then this is 8 times negative 3, which gives you negative 24. Then x squared y. And then all you need to do is to what? You write as is. Write as is. Negative 8x4y plus 16x cubed y minus 24x squared y. That becomes the answer. Okay, let's do the last one, 5, before we call it a day. Number 5, we have a 3x squared y4 times 4x squared minus xy cubed. So this is 3x squared y4 times 4x squared, and 3x squared y4 times negative xy cubed. So if we split this is 3 times 4 is 12. X squared times x squared is x4 and y4. Now this is negative 1. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. X squared times x, 2 plus 1 is 3, x cubed. Y4 times y cubed, 4 plus 3 is y7. Write as is, it will be 12x4 y4 minus 3x cubed y7. Now let me explain this second one in case you feel you're confused. I can just go ahead and explain it. When you have 3x squared y4 times negative xy cubed, this is 3 times x squared times y4 times negative 1 times x times y cubed. And this is 3 times negative 1 times x squared times x times y4 times y cubed. And that is negative 3 times x, 2 plus 1 times y, 4 plus 3. And that is negative 3 times x cubed times y7. And the final answer will be negative 3x cubed y7. That was how we got that. And the same thing is what you do here. I think we've done all of them. Thank you so much, great students, for listening. Thank you very much for listening. And please watch out for other videos. I will try as much as possible to solve the examples of those questions. Thank you. Have a great day.